Hey everybody, Jennifer Nicole Lee, happy Saturday. It is the first Saturday of January 2020, going live at 8 a.m. with the Out with the Old, In with the New workout. So all my VIPs, get ready. If you're not a member, you can join at jnlvip.com. $1 for your first 30 days, $25 every month after that. Now, sharing is caring. If you do anything today, share out this message. It's going to impact someone. All right, I'm really excited because yesterday we did a group coaching and I talked about how other trainers and coaches are building the strongest quitters. That, yeah, you're hot off the start, but then you're going to fizzle out. Sadly enough, a lot of us will not stick to our New Year's resolutions. Hello, everybody. Hey, Kat. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Ratiba. Post a comment below. Let's break this algorithm of Facebook. Let's do this. I don't want you to fizzle out fast. And everyone that's on Instagram and Facebook right now is saying, oh, look at me in the gym. Oh, look at me working out. That have not been doing it. Congratulations. You know what? The VIPs have been doing it since October. We've been doing it November, December. That's why it's working. And I got a couple of quick announcements. Big shout out to Strong Magazine. Proud media partnership. Right here. New you going down. Right here. Okay, so if I can do it, a once over 200-pound woman who suffered a miscarriage, has dealt with a lot of challenges, never had any kind of training, formal training whatsoever back in the day, can do it, you can do it too. I'm here to motivate you. In February, we're launching the Skinny Jean Challenge. I'll be going over orientation. If you're interested, join. It's part of the JNL VIP program. We're going to be getting your favorite skinny jeans, and we're going to be measuring our bodies now because I want to cinch in the waistline and then bubble out the booty. So you're building these crazy curves, and every time you turn, people are like, you're breaking their neck and turning their heads because of the crazy results you're getting. All right, let's get into this jolt, guys. I'm here to give you a mind crack adjustment. Guess what I got in the mail yesterday? Swimsuit catalogs. Yes. So what is it? January the 4th. They're already going into the resort wear swimsuit season, bikinis, cover-ups. Boom! I was like, what? Okay, the holidays are over. Wake up call. So guess what? It is January. If you want to be sliding into your bikini of your dreams come end of February, beginning of March, when we hit spring break, let's do this, okay? And you cannot out-train your diet. A lot of people are emailing me saying, look at my body. I'm getting photos and saying, what am I doing wrong? I'm eating healthy and I'm working out. Well, let's get raw, real, uncut, uncensored here. You cannot out-train your diet. You can train until you're blue in the face here to match my shirt and pants. But if you're sabotaging it with an extra 100 or 200 calories here, you're not going to get the result that you want. That's why we make it fun. That's a hard part, nutrition, because sometimes we love to get those workouts in, but when it comes to eating clean, guys, that's the crutch, that's the hiccup, and I'm here to push you through. So I'm going to turn your food fears into food triumphs so you link pleasure to eating clean, okay? Also, Monday we're doing a giveaway. I'm giving away these wireless headphones, and I'm throwing in a book. I'm throwing in a book as well. The VIP Power. A lot of you guys that got this, you're already enjoying it. Thank you so much for the positive feedback, and I'm really excited. So right now, you got to become that person you want to become, that you can never be. You see, when I was fat, out of shape, lethargic, chronic fatigue, exhaustion, anxiety, depression, stress, all of that, and I was over 200 pounds, my body showed what I was mentally going through. We covered mental strengthness yesterday, and what I found out is that what's going on here shows up in your body. So you got to flush the negative energy. You got to crack your mental code so you're always like, you know what, I can do this. You know what? I'm going to try. I'm going to fail my way forward and get the results that I want. I'm going to demand more of myself. I'm going to become the person that I need to become in order to get the results that I want. I'm sick and tired of looking in the mirror, looking tired, looking bloated. I'm going to fight fire with fire and get fired up. So that's the secret to success. You've got to walk into your alter ego. You got to become like Beyonce became Sasha Fierce. JNL became La Tigra. You got to awaken your inner superpower, and that's what we do here in the VIP program. We name it, we claim it, and we step into it. We faith it until we make it. We don't fake it until we make it. We faith it until we make it. That's why I have faith right here. What I really want to impress upon you is this, that there's some people out there right now sleeping over a hangover from too much alcohol. One drink is too much, okay? And they're sleeping over a food hangover because they have the all-you-can-eat buffet and they're feeling horrible. Been there, done that. Try something new. Try something new. If you want what you've never had before in your life, you need to do what you've never done before. Not just one time. Consistent, consistent, consistent. As you guys see me here every morning before the workout, I want to be fierce in my 40s. I want to get cheeky in my 50s, where people say, is that a 50-year-old woman? I'm like, yes, honey, check it out. Because, listen, age is nothing but a number, and you need to train like a champion. See, I'm building champions here in the VIP program. It's almost like Hell Week. You know, when you go into the armed services and they got Hell Week, some people die in that, but they're reborn again. You might feel like you're dying in these workouts, but you're actually getting stronger. On the opposite side of pain is pride. Pain is temporary. Pride is forever. So swatch it out. Your summer body's in works right now. So if you want to get shredded, ripped, shripped, and get the results of your wildest dreams in the summer, get your glutes over to jnlvip.com. And last but not least, I'm running a special. This really freaked me out. Last night, I put some ice in here with some water. And guess what? The ice is still in here, and the water is still cold. So I'm running a special at my website. You're going to see it in my shop. I have these tumblers. It's a VIP power tumbler. For everyone that buys this tumbler for the next week, I'm going to be throwing in an autographed book. Okay? So that's going to be ending next Saturday. So get your fingers over to JenniferNicoleLee.com. You'll see the shop. And listen, as funny a story, I was just in Las Vegas seeing my VIP sister Brooke. She was cracking me up. We were cracking up. She's like, I put hot tea in here. It stays hot forever. And look at the ice. No joke. Look, I don't have to sell you this. I'm just showing you that it's really cool. There's ice in there. And I was like, dang, okay. So get a free book with a tumbler. In closing, either you believe that you can or you can't. So believe that you can. And that's how you get to where you want to be. Let's make January the strong platform where you quantum leap your results and you stop dreaming about it and talking about it, where you start taking positive action. Today is lower body. We're going to hit you from the waist down so hard you might need crutches or a wheelchair tomorrow. Let's do this. I will see you at 8 a.m. Wakey, wakey. Cook up that vegan eggs and bakey. It's going live at 8 a.m. Boom. See you guys soon. Love you. Brooke, love you. Michelle, love you. God bless you. Hello.